Can't believe it's still here. Sitting out here all night. Let's get that mug. Yeah, I can't believe it was out here. Yesterday, me and the wife was out driving around looking for places to rent. And I saw that stove, and we were in the HHR. You know, I was like, I could use that stove to heavy up the pile, man, for maybe a yard trip this coming week, right? I was like, you know, I'll get out in the morning and check it. You know, it was a pretty good ways down the road, but you know, whatever. We're driving now. It's not like I'm riding my bike down here. So I went to Mama McKee's work and brought her some breakfast, had some coffee. And she's like, "You out scrapping?" I was like, "Well, I was gonna go see if that oven's still there." And she's like, "I doubt it." I was doubting it too. I was totally doubting it, but here we go. Sunday, let's start it off with an oven that was sitting out all night. That's awesome. It's freaking awesome. Let's do that. Let's go get some more stuff. Onward to the next, and what we got going here is some stuff. Yeah. More stuff. So I drove by here the other day, and from the street, it looked like they had this place cleaned up. Until now. What? Yeah. Somebody got a dresser drawer up in here. No, look out for the glass. Yeah. Is that messed up or what, people? Yeah, driving down the street the other day, I looked and it was like, oh, they got that place cleaned up and the dumpster looks a little empty. Man, maybe I can get me a few bags in there, you know, with my plastic jugs and whatnot. So I drive by this morning and look how it looks. Somebody done dumped a bunch of stuff there. I mean, look how big that pile is from this distance. It's huge. There's a chair over there. Anybody, everybody, want a chair? Who want a chair? So I stopped to clip a cord. Oh, there's a fan. Oh, geez. It's in the drive. It's in the middle of the alley. So I stopped to clip a cord and then found a few more items. I'll show you here in a minute. Didn't have it on video. I need to get that GoPro out going. It was actually charging right now, so because I have been using it. Hold on a minute. Got us a light fixture, some kind of fire extinguisher thing here. Sorry, buddy. Take the whole thing. Just take the whole thing, Ben. Just take it. Just take it off. More cords. And a steel bar. We took it. Got it out of the middle of the alley. Ah, looked like an isolating fan and one of those isolating heaters or whatever, air purifier, whatever it is. I don't know what it is. Whatever it is, it's trash. That's what it is. And it had a cord to it. I would have just clipped clip the cord if it was off to the side, but since it was in the alley, I went ahead and took the whole thing. Roadmaster. Got some aluminum wheels on that mug. Oh, 2 bikes. Huh. Eh. Let's go empty the Blaze and come on back. All right. We're not too far from the house. A couple blocks. Let's do that. Let's go get those bicycles. I brought some wrenches with me too in case I got to pop off some wheels to make everything fit a little easier. Just in case we find more stuff. Let's find some more stuff. Let's make that a point. Find more stuff. We made a list. Number 1, find more stuff. Number 2, look at number 1. There it is. That's my list. Let's go get them bicycles. All right, that's how you're supposed to throw out a mattress. It's got to have a plastic bag on it. You just can't throw mattresses out on the the street or the alley without a bag around it. So they did it properly, even though it still looks jacked up. At least they did it properly. Let's grab these Roadmasters. Roadmaster. Like I said, it's aluminum rims, rim bands, aluminum, very nice. And a Magna. Roadmaster and a Magna. Man, do I need a haircut. I don't think I had a haircut yet this year. Maybe one. Maybe we had one haircut since the first 2020. What's that hiding behind there? I didn't even see. That's something we don't want. That's what it is. That's why we didn't see it. That's why we didn't see it. It's something I don't want. Alright. Let's dip down another alley, people. Let's do that. I might stop down here at the park and take those wheels off so the bikes fit in there a little easier. A little better. Hey, get back up, Bird. And look at the road. Release the brake. There we go. strip. Chewed up nuts. There we go. Should have brought my socket set. But it's downstairs in the basement. We got somebody living in the basement now in that room, so I didn't want to wake them up. I'll wait till they're up and I'll get my socket set out of the room. The basement room, the dungeon. Yep, somebody's living in the dungeon. Let's get a safety tab on it. Seems to be rusted. There we go. One more time. And it seems to be rusted too. Axle nut rusted to the axle. There we go. Thank you, brake band. Thank you, brake arm, for helping me out there. It's starting to rain a little bit. Lame. I didn't show the shot. Hey, that's much better. Much better. Now we got room for more stuff in case we find more stuff. There's somebody that takes a dishwasher. There's somebody that takes a dishwasher. Good luck, buddy. I know where a couple are if you want more.
Ready for you now on the free iHeartRadio app.
Scrappies. That was a good thing I made some room in there. Oh, this baby's gas too. Yeah, that's gas. Nice, nice. I had to move the wheels and a small TV up to the front seat. I didn't want to take the TV, but I was picking through a pile and somebody asked me if I could take the TV. I was like, sure, I'll take the TV. It was a small one. Easy to discard of, even if I just want to cut the cord and throw the thing away. It's a 13-inch. I was like, yeah, I'll take the TV. No big deal. Alright. Almost home, everybody. We're gonna give the Blaze a rest. It's been running for a few hours. I'm gonna hop on the bicycle and the go-go kart and go check out this other little area that had a bunch of aluminum gutters and whatnot. See if it's still there. It was about an hour ago when I saw it. I just didn't feel like picking it up in the Blaze because there's already enough stuff in here. So we'll just go by there on the bicycle. It's not that far. It's not that far. But I'll fold it up. You know, I'll smash it down, fold it up, put it in the go-go kart, drag it home. That is the plan, man. Oh! Chuck holes! Big chuck holes. Dodging them. And birds too. Get out of the way, bird. Why are you flying in front of me? It's just so crazy. Bird flying right in front of me, man. I thought it was gonna perch up on my grill. Hello, old friend. Window weight strings, but no window weights. Still here. So you can get that. I'm sure it's all good. Well, that concludes Sunday, May 17th. It is now just noon. So, I'm going down here to get a Fountain Dewski, maybe a Zinger. Hope everybody had a great weekend. We had a good weekend. So, it's Tin Can signing off from a Dumpster Jerry production. Hope everybody out there is being safe. Take care. Be blessed.